Filipino. And if you don't know, you don't. Welcome.
Play with the ball. Yes, the dance. Yes! Sinong tatay mo? Sinong tatay mo? Sinong tatay mo? Dito, ay!
I will never gonna love her, much better than you, much better than you. And I will never gonna love her, much better than you, much better than you. Girl, you are close to me, you're like my nanay, close to me, you're like my nanay, close to me, you're like my ate, close to me, you're like my kuya. You are my only girl, my everything. And for you, this song I sing. Not, I'm a Filipino. I am the Filipino. Filipino. And if you don't know, you know. Welcome.
My dog was dancing! Look at my dog, dude. Toby!
That is what you are. Pull your underwear right down to the floor. You look so sexy. Your face is pretty. You can sit down and make that blessing. For one darling to
Ay, Diyos ko! Yung Pilipino, pansit-eating mother hamper. Kantot ang kantot! Ang sakit! Ano na? Is that the tongue? Oh, yes, the tongue. Yes, the tongue. Oh, the finger. Not the finger. Yes, the finger. Putang ng shit. Sinong nanay mo? Sinong nanay mo? Sinong nanay mo? Ay, nako. Sandali. Let me wipe your mouth.
Okay, so yeah, we just had a little, you know, dance party. You want another one? Hmm? No. Okay, well, yeah.